Hi, and thank you for joining us as we continue our discussion aimed at demystifying what tax governance means for your business. My name is Carney. I'm an indirect tax specialist here at RSM in Brisbane. I'm joined by Michael Kielenniva, a specialist from our corporate tax division. In our first segment, Mike discussed broadly what tax governance meant for him and that it's the key pillar which the ATO focuses on when it performs assurance reviews. Now, as promised today, we will be looking at the criteria for inclusion in the various ATO assurance programs. Mike, can you step us through these criteria?
Thanks, Louis. So it's critical for a business to know the ATO's assurance program it falls into, as this drives what the ATO will be looking at when assessing the suitability of the taxpayer's tax governance framework. So the ATO programs are broadly split between public groups and private groups. The public groups are then split again between the top 100 and the top 1,000 taxpayers. So the top 100 groups are the largest taxpayers in Australia, and they have a turnover exceeding 5 billion. And the top 1,000 groups turnover is split between 250 million and 5 billion. There are also three segments under the private group category, namely the top 500, the next 5,000, and the medium and emerging market groups. So the top 500 groups include those businesses with a turnover of more than 350 million, net assets of greater than 500 million, turnover of 100 million and net assets greater than 250 million, or market leaders or group-specific interests. The next 5,000 groups include businesses with controllable wealth exceeding $50 million, and then the medium and emerging groups include businesses with a turnover exceeding $5 million. Louis, where do you think the ATO's focus is going to be over the next 12 to 18 months?
Yeah, great question, Mike. For me, the focus will be on the next 5,000 group, meaning the businesses with turnover between $50 million and $250 million. If your business has not had a tap on the shoulder from the ATO up to now, chances are pretty good it'll happen soon. As we heard in the recent federal budget announcement, more funding has been allocated to improve GST compliance. This sends a clear message where the ATO will direct their resources and focus over the next 48 months. That's all that we wanted to cover in this segment. Mike, what are we discussing in our next segment?
Louis, I think the various ratings the ATO can give can be quite confusing. So I think in the next segment, it would be good to unpack this and especially what it means to have a good or bad rating for your business.
Yeah, great call, Mike. Looking forward to demystifying what the various ratings mean. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to your company again soon. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave them in the comments section and we can reach out to you directly.
Thank you. See you next time.